How to backup Gmail email to Google Drive, Dropbox and Microsoft OneDrive. Step-by-step guide on backing up mails from Gmail, G Suite Mail account on your Mac. Step 1. Please download and install the Mail Backup X application on your Mac. Please follow the link for install instructions. Step 2. Once the installation is completed, launch Mail Backup X from the Applications Quick Launch menu. Step 3. You may start the fully functional trial run for 15 days or activate it if you have already purchased a license. Step 4. You may choose to set up a new backup profile from the dashboard by choosing option, Set up a new backup. Or you may click My Backup Profiles on the left sidebar in Dashboard greater than and click, Set up a new backup profile. Step 5. A. You will be presented options for mail clients, server, choose email server. Step 5. B. You will be presented options for email services like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook.com, Exchange, IMAP, POP. Please select Gmail from the list and proceed to next step. Step 5. C. The app will prompt you to click Continue for opening a safe authentication session using Secure Zauth authentication for Gmail, G Suite via your browser. Step 5. D. Your default browser window will open. You will be prompted to log in to Gmail or G Suite account if you are not signed in. Step 5. E. Please enter your password to sign in as you usually do to sign into Gmail account in your browser. Step 5. F. You will be prompted to allow access to Mail Backup X. Please click Allow. Step 5. G. Once you have allowed access to Mail Backup X to backup your Gmail account. Step 6. Please select the folders you would like to be backed up from Gmail, G Suite account. Please click Continue to proceed to next step. Step 7X. Now you are presented with advanced options like setting. Step 8. Gmail, G Suite Mailbox Backup Profile is set up and now your emails should have started to back up as per the options and settings you selected during the previous steps. Buy full version, click at www.mailbackupx.com/buy-mailbackupx/. Thanks for watching.